Ndewo, welcome to today's lesson. In today's very short lesson, I want to help you with some words in Igbo language that have same spelling but different sounds and different meaning. Exactly same spelling, but pronounce them differently, it will mean a different thing altogether. Many learners are struggling with these words. So I just in this video want to help you with this video so you can practice them over and over again. There are so many of these words in Igbo language which cannot, be contained in just one video. So just take this one as part one. Okay, so here we go. We have the first one. You can see these two images have the same letters, in spelling but different pronunciation. So I'm going to have Ezi, that's the pig, the animal is Ezi. Then the second image by your right is Ezi, that's compound outside, Ezi. So again, the first one is Ezi, Ezi, good. Then the second one is ECE. The same word has two meanings. The first one is Isi, is pronounced Isi, that's head, Isi. Then the second one is Isi, Isi, that's smell. You can see the man is something is smelling. Isi, it could be good smell or odor. So Isi, smell. The other one, Isi, head. Then we move to Eze. This word can be by the left, Eze, Eze, that's teeth, Eze, as you can see. Then we have by the right the same spelling but pronounced Eze, Eze, that's king, all right? Then we have Nti by the left, Nti, Nti, that's ear, Nti by the right, Nti, that's your cheek, Nti, Nti, ear, Nti, okay? Then we have Akwi-a, which can be by the left, Akwa, you can call it Akwa, and then by the right, Akwa. Akwa, egg, Akwa, bed. Then we have same word, same Akwi-a, same word. You can see here, Akwa, cry, Akwa, cry. By the right, Akwa, clothes, Akwa, clothes. And this one you have Ikie. That's the spelling in Igbo. Ikie. It could be Ike, that's strength. Ike, strength. Okay. Then you have by the right Ike. That's part of the body, buttocks. Ike. So again, Ike, strength. Ike. So when you want to say I don't have strength. Ike adịrọ. Instead of saying Ike adịrọ, you say Ike adịrọ. You see what you just said? You can imagine. So it's very important that Igbo is a tonal language. You have to try as much as possible to get the right tone. And we get to this other word, ube. That's how we spell it. Ube. It says ube for pear, which is a fruit. Ube, pear. Then we have ube, spear. You can see the spear is a weapon of war or hunting. Ube, ube, fruit. Ube, this is ube. Okay. And this is the kitchen knife. Knife is any kind of knife, could be mma, mma, that's knife. It could be mma ekwu, mma oge, but any knife is mma, whether it is mma agha, sword, have different type, but mma. Then you have by the right a very beautiful girl. You can say ọ mara mma, beauty, beautiful. Ọ mara, you say mma. So we have mma for knife, mma for being beautiful. Okay, interesting. And then we have this one, azo, azo, azu. So when you spell it azo, it could be azu. In that case, fish. Azu, fish. You have azu, back. Azu, back. Okay, so that's what I have for you today on Igbo Learning Plug. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me if you're watching from YouTube, and then more of this will come your way. This is just one out of 1,000. In Igbo language, you have a lot of these words that are spelled exactly the same and they are pronounced differently. And sometimes the meaning will just be entirely, no, they are no way related. Just like you can see in this case of azu, fish, and then azu. So they are not related at all. How do you know these words? There's no other way than to just this practice, be in the language, expose yourself to expressions in the context. Before now, we used to have the accent, the mark, the tonal marks, ụda elu, ụda ala, ụda nsụda. You have a, ụda elu, ụda ala, all those marks. But in modern Igbo writing, you don't have those marks anymore, because I remember when I was in school, it makes the whole language boring and difficult. So the marks still exist, okay, but they are not in writing. You don't show them physically. You can only learn them by listening to people, and that is why I am here, okay, to help you in this journey of learning Igbo language. So if you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe to this channel and also give us a thumbs up, okay, and share this video also. You can also contact me, check out my email, and then contact me, or you can inbox me if you need a one-on-one lesson on Igbo language. All right, so I'll see you again. Ndewo, jisike.